So Romans 8, we see we wait eagerly for adoption as sons, the redemption of our bodies. We have a spirit now. We have the spirit of adoption, but we have not been adopted. We don't have the resurrected bodies promised. And even creation is waiting for the revealing of the sons of God. Well, here's what it sounds like when they're revealed. Holding palm branches in their hands, clothed in white robes, from every nation, tribe, people, language, the fullness of the Gentiles. Salvation belongs to our God, who sits on the throne, and to his Lamb, saying, Amen, blessing, glory, wisdom, thanksgiving, honor, power, might, to be to our God forever and ever. Amen. That's what it sounds like.